I got it open.
Check this.
Hey guys, so quick update. I haven't vlogged in a while because my camera broke, but finally I got it fixed. And yeah, I just got here 2 days ago, I think, but it took me a while to set it up. I've just been bitterly busy. But as a update, I'm working on the motorcycle. So I finally emptied the tank. It had a full tank of gas. So now I drained it. I'm cleaning it. This is the third time I'm cleaning it. It looks like it's rusted inside. Right now I'm also changing the oil. I finally drained it. It took me forever since it's been sitting there for a while. I'm trying to get to the filter, but I'm gonna let it drain for a while, and then I'm gonna get to the carb next. I finally installed the key because we couldn't find the key. That was one of the issues that we had in El Paso. But yeah, finally got it from I believe Japan. I had to order it. I mean, this bike only has 5,000 miles, so it's really nothing, but it has been sitting there for a while. I am just trying to clean it up as much as I can. It did belong to my dad, and yeah, my dad passed away 2 years ago, and I want to restore it, you know, in his memory. So yeah, hopefully I could get it running. But yeah, the paint's not, you know, great, but I try to clean it pretty well. I mean, let's see if I could get it running. Hopefully I should be able to finish the oil today. And
1 hour later.
Alright, the oil change is done. I didn't make a mess, which the guy on YouTube made a total fucking mess. But real quick, shout out to Jesse. He's the one that helped me, or DJ Envy. He's the one that helped me take down the motorcycle from the van. But I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. Or me and Sada. Yeah. So yeah, shout out to DJ Envy, Jesse. Check him out. He has a whole bunch of shit going on. So I'll post the link right there. And yeah, check this shit out. Alright, so I'm cleaning the carburetor. I have a big mess, but hopefully I could get it going, and let's see if I can get the bike started today. Alright, so I was cleaning the bike and I dropped the screw, and I found this thing which I had no idea. So I mean, I don't know anything much about bikes, but there's this side panel, and there's a keyhole. So I'm gonna get my lock picking kit and see if I can get it open. So here's my tools.
More moments later.
I got it open. Alright, I haven't actually opened. I'm waiting on Sarah and see what she's...
And there's nothing.
Really?
I don't see shit.
How do you open it? I don't want to break it either. Maybe, does the swing open? I don't know how to do this.
You want me to stick the camera in there?
Oh, it just, okay. Well, I don't know if there's spiders in there.
You want me to tap with the camera?
What is this? Oh, it's an insurance card. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. That's funny.
That is hilarious.
I ran insurance agents.
So now I'm gonna put the gas tank on. Let's see if I can do it correctly, because it's been a while. Alright. So I put it all together, and I tried turning it on, and it kind of turns on, but I didn't put gas. Okay. So you can do this. Oh. Alright, let's try this.
Dead. D-E-D. Dead. You hear me?
Did you hear it? It wanted to?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So there, I took the resistor off. It was blown. Or 70. Here's a bad one. It looks upside down, but it's not. It's the top. Alright, I added the one that was missing. I mean, I couldn't find a exact one, but I mean, it's the same reading.
Same, but different. But still same.
Alright, moment of truth. Hopefully this repair works. Honestly, I don't know. Here goes. It's a pump. Alright, well that didn't work.